Okay, let's start this with a little unboxing video. I found a website online that actually had two locomotives I have been looking for quite some time, which would be a Chicago Northwestern -9 44 CW, if I said that right, and a Union Pacific SD 40-2 Snoot. So they are both Athearn Blue Box units. So let's open this up. Packaged it real good. Man. Yeah. I'll put the mess aside. And this is the Chicago Northwestern, and this is the Union Pacific. So let's pop them open. Ooh, never been open. Still got the plastic wrap. So ain't that a beauty? Pure. I dig it. That's pretty awesome right there. I was lucky to find these. Now for the Snoot. Okay, this one doesn't have the plastic on it, but ain't that beautiful? That's awesome. Only thing I wish it would have had was the lightning pinstripe, or, you know, that Chicago Northwestern had. But other than that, I dig it. So yeah. Pretty awesome. They were fairly cheap, I'd say. Costed me a total of, around estimate, $137 for the two locomotives and the shipping and handling. So, pretty good deal, I'd say. So, y'all shall see those two in action in future videos, hopefully. Alright.